Here are 10 Amazon must-have gadgets, products to help you have a clutter-free home. Everything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section. And if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, go ahead and scan the QR code on screen now, and it'll take you to everything in this video. Let's do it. It's summertime, so that means lots of tasty beverages. These soda can lids are wonderful. They help keep your drinks carbonated and fresh. These fizz keeper lids are perfect for sodas, beer, and so much more. They even fit a variety of different can sizes and are essential for outdoor events. No more flies or bees in your sodas and beverages. Say goodbye to waste and save money. These ultra durable dishwasher safe lids ensure your beverages are going to stay fizzy and delicious all day long. BPA free, these are definitely a must-have for any picnic. 6 come in a pack in a variety of different colors. We have blue, orange, pink, purple, white, and yellow. Never mess up whose drink is whose if each person has a different color top. This would be wonderful for a barbecue or any sort of outdoor event, especially if some people are drinking the exact same drink. No need to bring out that Sharpie and label things anymore. Currently on Amazon right now for a pack of 6, it's just about $16. The Stanleys are all the rage right now, but wait till you see this Stanley snack bowl. I saw this and I was so impressed. You can enjoy your snacks and drinks simultaneously with this upgraded snack tray. 4 compartments to choose from where you could put popcorn, chips, candy, and so much more. It fits any Stanley 30 ounces with handle. You'll notice how the snack bowl fits perfectly over that handle, so no more spills and no more tipping. It's perfect for outdoor activities, and the multifunctional holder is easy to carry and use. You get to enhance your snacking experience wherever you go. This is perfect for outdoors, the pool, barbecues, or just hanging out in your living room and watching some Netflix. Drinking and snacking all at the same time, saving you time on washing more dishes. And I can't even believe it, right now on Amazon, this is 6% off, just about $8, and an additional 6% off coupon on top of that. We're talking pennies for how much use that you are going to get out of this. And it comes in a variety of different colors. We have a blue, orange, orchid, pink, teal, white. One for every person in your family. Such a steal of a deal. Here's one product that definitely contributes to a clutter-free home. You have your hair volumizer all in one, so no need to have a separate brush and a separate hair dryer. In fact, you probably don't even need a curling iron after using this. This Revlon one-step volumizer is the perfect alternative to helping you save space in your bathroom. In fact, this is actually voted the best blow-dry brush. I use this on my daughter's hair, and I have to say her hair is looking silky smooth with an added touch of va-va-voom. This 2-in-1 tool dries and styles in half the time, and it's perfect for all hair types and different lengths. So if you're looking for that salon style blowout with shine, volume, and a smooth finish, this is definitely it. You can choose from 3 different heat settings for less damage and a flawless look every single time. Currently on Amazon right now, this is priced at just about $42, which is a great price point. I've been seeing this oil dispenser floating around the internet, and I had to give it a whirl, and my friend, it is definitely worth every single penny. Currently on Amazon, it's 23% off, so just about $9, and it does come in a variety of different colors, so you can choose one that fits your kitchen decor. There's so many different things that you can do with this. If you just flip the top lid, you can pour directly into your pan, and you have 2 streaming options. You could have a more voluminous spray, if you will, or you could have more of a steady stream. Just pick which option you prefer. In fact, I like all 3. Enhance your kitchen with this dual spray pour oil dispenser. Combines convenience and precision. This is perfect for salads and any sort of cooking that you're going to be doing. Especially in the summertime, it's great to eat lots of tasty vegetables. Made from safe, non-toxic glass, it ensures a healthy cooking experience. Plus, enjoy a lifetime quality guarantee for peace of mind. Not only can you use this in your kitchen, but you can also use it at a barbecue. This definitely is going to save some space in your kitchen rather than having 3 different ways to dispense your oil. Now you have it all in one convenient bottle. If you've been thinking about getting this, now is the time to act. Looking to save additional space in your house, or maybe you're traveling and you need a way to charge all of your beloved electronics. This flat plug power strip has you covered. Currently right now on Amazon, it's 31% off, so just about $13. And you can get it in a variety of different sizes. You can get it in 5 feet, 10 feet, or 15 feet. I also love that it has a flat cord. You can put this behind any piece of furniture because of the flat flat design. You know, typically I love the ultra flat extension cord because you can push any type of furniture up to it rather than your traditional plugins. The 45-degree design fits snugly behind furniture, which maximizes your outlet space. The durable and thick pure copper cord ensures better current carrying capacity and safety. You can charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. This is perfect for college dorms, offices, kitchens, and it helps keep your space more organized. It's perfect for travel. This cruise-friendly power strip has no surge protection, which meets cruise line requirements. It offers multiple safety protections against overcurrent, overcharge, short circuit, and overheating. Stay powered and safe with this reliable extension cord. I am absolutely loving this. In fact, my mom loved it so much when she came over to visit, I got one for her as well. If you're tired of the traditional crossbody bags that you've been seeing around, you are absolutely gonna love this one. It is so chic. I love the quilted front on it. It also has a magnetic closure. You can easily carry all of your cards and driver's license and anything inside of the other pocket. It snaps securely in place. In fact, you can put your cell phone in there, you can put car keys in there, a lip gloss, a hand sanitizer. This fits quite a few items. The strap is totally adjustable, so you get to decide how you want to wear it. Currently on Amazon right now, this is 15% off, so just about $16. It comes in a variety of gorgeous colors. There is a bud green lime, hot pink, sky blue, khaki, and if you don't like the quilted design, they also have some woven options as well. This is going to be my go-to purse every single day, whether I'm going on a walk, going to the pool, hitting up the gym for a weighted workout, or just running an errand or grabbing some coffee. This also makes for an excellent gift idea. You can have everything at your fingertips without having a bulky bag. This might be my favorite item in this video. Just kidding. I love them all. It's this purse organizer for your closet or shelf. This is totally adjustable, so if you have a thicker purse, it works perfectly for that, or maybe you just have some clutches that you want to display. 2 come in a pack for a total of 10 different dividers. Currently, right now on Amazon, this is 20% off, plus there's an additional 5% off coupon. This has really elevated my closet so that I can display my favorite handbags, and it makes it easier for me to access them. Installation is a breeze. Just insert the partitions into the base slots and you can customize them as needed. The sleek white design matches any room aesthetic, ensures that your bags are always visible and easy to grab. Keep your closet neat and stylish with this must-have purse organizer. In fact, I love these so much, I want to order a second set for my oldest daughter's room. You know when you love a product so much because it looks so nice and solves an everyday problem? Well, it's these 3-pack of clothes storage organizers. I showed in a previous video how I was totally able to transform blankets. With 4 kids, we have a lot of different blankets and comforters. I used to have these larger bags to organize all of the blankets, but as you can see here, there's no shape to these, and when you put them inside a closet, it just looks really junky. Not anymore with these large organizers. They come in a variety of different sizes and different colors to match your home decor. 3 come in a pack, and there are 2 zipper compartments, so you can access your items from the front and see inside what's in them very easily, or you can access from the top. I love the durable handles so that you can easily transport these from space to space should you need to. This time I wanted to organize all of my daughter's clothes. My 4-year-old now gets all of my 9-year-old's clothes since I have saved them, and it has saved me a ton of money being able to reuse those clothes. Now we'll be able to easily find the size that she needs when the time comes. Her closet is looking so much more spacious and organized rather than having these big clear tubs inside of them. I am loving this. Remember, access that vertical space whenever you can, and this 3-pack clothes storage organizers definitely help you. If you are interested in these, I would definitely grab them, especially with the deal going on right now. You'll love this ultra compact power bank. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and features a sleek, rounded design. It delivers the fastest charging speed for your smartphone, iPads, and other electronic devices, saving you valuable time. It's so easy to carry. It's slim like a lipstick and fits perfectly in your bag or your pocket. This ensures that your power needs are met all day long for peace of mind when you need it. Plus, it's airplane friendly. Got any trips that you're going on this summer? If so, let me know in that comments box below. I would love to hear. Currently on Amazon right now, this is just about $16. This definitely contributes to a clutter-free purse, a clutter-free suitcase, and a clutter-free home because of its sleek design. I've been looking for the perfect drink carrier, and this is it. Currently on Amazon, this is just about $19, and it comes in a variety of different colors colors and patterns. I love that the insides are totally adjustable depending upon the size drinks that you want to put inside. It's insulated, keeping your tasty beverages nice and cold or hot should you want them. The handle is also really nice and durable. It can hold up to 4 cups and is perfect for coffee, water, bottles, milk, beer, and so much more. The waterproof inner material ensures that even if the ice melts, the bag's going to stay dry with just a wipe and super easy to clean should you spill some coffee on a bumpy ride. I love that this is eco-friendly and reusable. It replaces disposable trays and is ideal for drink deliveries, parties, and those daily coffee runs. You know I love those. Now you can conveniently carry beverages to work, parties, picnics, and so much more with this handy cup carrier. I've seen several floating around on the internet right now, and I have to say, hands down, this one is my favorite. I've been in the market for a walking treadmill, especially those rainy days, or maybe it's late at night and I don't want to walk outside in the dark, and especially in the wintertime here in Minnesota. I'm loving this walking pad 4-in-1 treadmill. This fits so easily under a desk. It also has a remote control, so you can control the speed and pace, but you can also control your music with the attached Bluetooth speakers. It connects easily to your smartphone, so you can play whatever tunes that you want to get your heart pumping and get some extra steps in. You can jog and you can walk on this. It goes up to 3.8 miles per hour. This walking treadmill can support up to 265 pounds. The LCD screen display helps you track your progress in real time, while the manual speed control frees up your hands, so you can work and play all at the same time. It's designed for comfort. The treadmill features a 6-layer anti-slip belt and 10 silicone shock absorbers to protect your knees. You can easily switch between walking and running to suit your workout. And its portable design, this is the best part, is perfect for small spaces. You could store it under a sofa, bed, in a corner, or even in a closet. That's where I'm going to be keeping mine. And you can move it effortlessly with built-in wheels because it is lightweight enough. I can't even believe the price point on this right now, considering the quality of it. It's 18% off on Amazon, so just about $139. So no more will there be any excuses for not meeting your step goals for that day. Maybe you like to watch some shows a little bit later in the evening. Just pull this baby out from underneath your bed, set your timer for about 15 minutes, and you'll be amazed at the progress that you can make. Again, everything is linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section. If you haven't, make sure that you sign up for the weekly newsletter as well. And follow me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the first of the first #1 bestsellers and so much more. Click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.